brand spanky new at the time anyway. 24 Odyssey. And I think you might already know how to do this, but look how easy this is. This is the wipers. There's a little handle. Okay, now do not let this hit your windshield because you will buy a new one. And I'm not buying you a new one because I told you not to do it. So this little guy right there, little lever right there, that's where you want to squeeze in and pull out. Now, you always want to pull out, depending on what it is. See that? Snap it right back in. Same with the other side. Now let's go measure these puppies. We have 26. Does it look right to you? I think it's 26. And 23 from what I see. Now, let's go do the back. 16. That's how old I was. And this all happened. Very easy. Pull outward. Pull towards you, and it turns. Oh! Can you see the rays? You gotta line it up. This little guy goes in the groove. You see? There's a little groove right there. And there's two little stubs right here. And you want to smack them in place. Make sure they line up. That's it. Done. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.